I am Alice from Pearson & Projects, and this is Creations with Monarch. In our family, there is nothing we love more than a backyard game. So for this fun paint project, I am taking a pair of plain cornhole boards and creating a fun pattern to personalize our boards with the power of paint. This is a really simple paint project. For this project, I'm going to be using the Monarch drop sheet, 3 different Monarch brushes, the wall door and trims brush, the moulding and skirtings brush, and the detail and finishing brush. First stage is deciding on our pattern and taping it all up. Now, to be honest, I'm a little bit fast and loose with design. I like to kind of do it as I go. And something that made the task very simple is I got my giant ruler. It's the same size as the tape that I'm using to cover the wood that I don't want paint on. When it came to creating the triangles with the tape, I doubled over the tape and then cut along each line to make the triangles perfect. Now, before I start painting, there are some very important things I need to do. Firstly, to wash out my new brushes. The next is to mix up the paint really well, especially because I'm using old paint. Now, I'm using 3 different Monarch brushes for this paint job because I'm using 3 different colors and it's going to make cleanup a lot more straightforward. Also, because I have the 3 different options and any one would be fine for this paint job. Alright, so now it is time for the second coat, and all we're going to do is grab paintbrushes from the last coat, and you go like this, pull down hard, and we're ready to go again. Once the paint is fully dried, I'm going to remove the tape. Oh, look at those clean lines. Finally, I'm going to seal the board by spraying a clear matte finish. And just like that, we have personalized, unique cornhole boards, which is going to provide hours of fun for our family and looks great too.